the word try. To make an attempt, try doing, try hard. She will try to finish the project by Friday. Have you ever tried doing yoga? It's really relaxing. He tried hard to win the race but didn't make it. To test or experiment, try out, try for, try on. I want to try out the new restaurant downtown. He's going to try for the lead role in the play. She decided to try on the dress before purchasing it, to offer or provide an opportunity. Try one's best, try one's luck, try the waters. He tried his best to make the event a success. She decided to try her luck at the casino. Let's try the waters before making a big commitment, to test the limits or capacity. Try patience, try your limits, try someone's nerves. The constant delays really tried my patience. This challenge will really try your limits. The noise from the construction site is trying my nerves. To challenge or defy, try someone, try the system, try your hand. I'm not sure if you should try him. He's very competitive. They decided to try the system and see if it works for them. You should try your hand at painting if you're feeling creative, to seek or desire something. Try for, try to get, try seeking. He's going to try for a promotion at work. I'll try to get tickets for the concert. She's trying seeking new opportunities in another field.